good, YouTube? Clocking back in. This is the first video of 2026. And as you can see, we're starting it off with some car content. Right now, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Freaking at a farm. All of these freaking cows. I think these are cows, but I don't even want to go over here. But I don't even know if y'all can see cows. Oh yeah, these are cows. I got that new iPhone 17 we're recording on. Just recorded some little baby calves inside, but it's cold as shit outside. It's like 22 degrees in Amarillo and Hereford. That's where we're in between right now. Something, I forgot what it's called. But y'all tune back in. Should be back on the road. My dad is looking to purchase this 2003 P71 Posi Track. This spotlight doesn't work, but that spotlight does work. These LEDs are pretty bright. See, spotlight is on. A little quick 40-minute drive back to the city. He bought this car in California, and the car made it all the way to Amarillo. If you don't know, that is a 12-hour drive. Kind of higher on the mileage, but real strong. Like, it's real strong transmission, real strong motor. These come with the 4.6, same as the Mustang GT, just different tune, different intake. Telling y'all, real farm dog, real PI. Cows over there. The baby calves are inside. Oh, I hope I don't run over these people, dog. Dog running on the side of the truck. I ain't never been on a farm. First time on a farm. Shout out to all the new subs, man. And everybody that made it into 2026. You gotta thank God you made it this far. For real, cause boy, I'm praying for the homeless people. Everybody pray for the homeless people. Cause it's 30 degrees outside and it's cold as shit. I can't even stand out here 5 minutes. I could imagine sleeping at night. Yeah, it's cold as shit, man. A lot of new content coming to the channel. Update on the 6.2. I might put a little snippet in here. Right now, you might have to wait. I don't know. Just depends on how I'm feeling. Everybody sub up if you're new to the channel. My name is Tony C. I go by Tony C Go Crazy. You can find my hashtag on 2K, Xbox, Twitch, TikTok, everything. It's Tony C Go Crazy on everything except for Snapchat. Y'all want to add me on Snapchat? It's TNAS23. I usually keep that personal, but I wouldn't mind. I want support all across the board, every platform I can get it on. We're going to 2026, praising God, and a whole lot of motivation, a whole lot of dedication to elevating. But right now, we back with the car content. We're in the truck. Once again, man, need to turn this into the daily lifestyle, flipping cars, and I need a freaking daily car myself. My freaking Taurus is giving me a lot of problems. I might give y'all a quick update on that tomorrow. Not sure how long this little portion of the vlog would be, but I will show y'all like around the Vic tomorrow. Show y'all the Taurus. Got 2 PIs at the crib, and yeah. But y'all just stay tuned. Little POV action in the damn. They got their brakes on. Shit, they trying to kill somebody. Turn that shit off. But a little POV action in the Vic police interceptor. Going back to my roots, my first car was a 2004 Grand Marquis. Second car was like a Vic. Then I got another Vic. Then I got another Vic. But hey, man, it feels good to be back in one of these. Honestly, red lights like the Taurus. I honestly wish the Taurus wasn't in the condition it was in, because I really do like that car, but it's just causing me too much problems. I guess that's what happens when you get a used car, but still, like, I don't want to be constantly dumping money into it. But I definitely recommend a Taurus show. Good power, great daily, supposed to have great gas mileage and all of that. Just unfortunately for me, things didn't go that way, so it is what it is. I'm gonna bounce back, pop out with a new daily, and go get me something else. Won't do too much complaining. Just, hey man, I'm just gonna make it happen. Dunk on the way, whole lot of other and bigger blessings on the way, man. Just gotta thank God that I have a car. A lot of people don't even have cars. But hey man, I'm loving this Vic. Back to my roots. Stop playing. And it get up. And it get up, man. Positive track, I'm pretty sure. Oop, hit that dip a little too fast. Let me slow down, let me calm down. Well, I was just giving y'all a quick little pull in the PI, man. Coming to give y'all a better look under the street lights or parking lot lights, whatever you would like to say. Me and my dad did clean it out. Gave it a good vacuum and all of that. I know you can't see down there, but the car is pretty clean. Looks like Mercury back seats back here. Everything is good. A little higher mileage, but still not too bad. 163. This car is for sale if you want it. Bring me 2,700. Can put some 24s on here. Then the price will be 3,500. It's tax season, so you know I'm taxing a little bit, man. Taxing a little bit. But thank everyone for the new subs. It's only up from here. Maybe going to get another Interceptor soon. I'm not sure. Still debating. Need to sell my first Interceptor. This isn't even my Interceptor, but as you can see, I'm driving it. A lot of stuff playing. 6.2 is almost done. Like I said, might drop an updated video here soon once I get my bracket in, and after that, we're done. But thank everyone for the new subs. 2026. Put God first. We're going up from here.